Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making roasted cinnamon sweet potatoes with pecans. Now this holiday dish is perfect for Thanksgiving or Christmas or just a cozy fall night. This side dish is naturally vegan, it's gluten-free, but it will impress everyone at your table. So let me show you how to make them. So first we're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees. So all you're going to need is some sweet potatoes, cinnamon, pecans, and a little bit of coconut oil. Now I adapted this recipe from one of my really good friends, Kimmy, who I also wrote my book, The Mountain Baker, with. And she used to make these for Thanksgiving every single year and we'd spend it together. And she also included beets and Brussels sprouts on this sheet pan. And I always was just eating all the sweet potatoes and the Brussels sprouts, but I've never been a huge fan of beets. So I make them now with just sweet potatoes and pecans. So if you guys want to add some Brussels sprouts or some beets to the sheet pan, you can totally do that too. So first we're going to chop our sweet potato into 1 to 2 inch cubes. So you guys can leave the skin on or you can peel it off, either works. I tend to go both ways, but today I'm going to peel them. Next we're going to add 1 cup of pecans, then 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, and last we're going to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now we're just going to stir this up with a spatula to coat the sweet potatoes and the pecans completely with the coconut oil and the cinnamon. Next we're going to line a half sheet pan with parchment paper and spread the sweet potatoes out evenly. So you want to make sure that the sweet potatoes are spread out. This is going to ensure that they cook evenly. So now we're going to bake these at 400 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes. You want to make sure that we stir these halfway through. This is going to ensure that the sweet potatoes not only cook evenly, but they get brown on all sides. As soon as they're golden brown to your liking and soft when poked with a fork, then they are done. So as soon as our cinnamon sweet potatoes come out of the oven, then we're going to add our salt and pepper. And now these are ready to serve. These roasted cinnamon sweet potatoes with pecans are sure to be a hit at your holiday table this year. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more organic holiday recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen. I could eat this whole sheet pan of these. These are so good.